AR invoice entry under AR menu is different from sales invoice under sales menu, though they are both involving debtors. AR invoice entry is an accounting entry. There is no bill printing, while sales invoice is a bill document. Invoice can be printed. Whenever you save an AR invoice entry, GL accounts will be automatically updated. Whenever you save a sales invoice, you also post the entry to AR invoice entry, and GL accounts are updated as well. To create a new AR invoice entry, go to AR invoice entry, or click on AR invoice shortcut icon. Click on create a new AR invoice. Better, key in to search, or click on drop down arrow button, or click on the search button to assign or select a debtor number. This debtor account will be debited. Journal tab. You may select the journal tab if you have maintained more than one journal tab belong to this entry tab. Refer to journal tab maintenance. Agent. Assign a sales agent if any. The default sales agent can be assigned at debtor maintenance. Reference number 2. Key in other reference number if any. The invoice number new means to follow auto running numbering format, which is maintained at document numbering format maintenance. And the next possible number is displayed at the top of the windows. You may click on drop down button to select numbering format, or just click on the field to key in a free format number. The date is the system or computer date automatically captured. You may click to change. This is the credit terms of this debtor, and the due date is auto-calculated according to date and terms. Click on the plus sign to add a new row and assign a sales account number, which is to be credited. This is called detailed description and will capture the account description automatically. Of course, you can change if you want. Key in the invoice amount or amount to be recorded in this sales account. You may add several rows if it involves more than one sales account. The description at the bottom is called document description. It will capture the most recently key-in description. Outstanding is the outstanding amount of this invoice. This value will change accordingly if payment or partial payment is made. You may go to View Posting Details to view the details of posting or the double entries that is going to take place. Save it. Back to listing grid. Those with yellow background means entries that were posted from sales invoice. Thus is not allowed to edit here. We have to go back to the source document. Entries in red color means the invoice is overdue. Highlight any entry row and the lower portion will show its payment history. AR debit note entry is very much similar to invoice entry. Basically, the debit note is used to add amount to an existing invoice amount. Debit note is also used when debtor A's debt is to be paid by debtor B. In this case, a credit note will be created for debtor A and a debit note is to be created for debtor B. Some users prefer to also show the AR debit note entry in General Journal. For this purpose, check the checkbox of Is Debit Journal so that journal entries about this debit note event will be shown in GL Journal entry. That's all for AR invoice entry and AR debit note entry. Thank you.